Happy Thanksgiving and welcome to Hilda Kalitovits' cucumber salad. Start with 3 large cucumbers, a glass bowl, salt, a peeler, garlic, a mandoline slicer, sour cream. If you don't use the mandoline slicer well, you're going to need a first aid kit. Peel the cucumbers evenly and definitely save the peels for composting. Cucumbers look good. Next up is the mandoline. Set the mandoline so it slices very thin and don't test it with your fingers. Using a mandoline is pretty straightforward. Just run the cucumber over the blade. Once you get down far enough, don't touch the blade because you'll lose the tip of your finger, which I've done. When you're all done, you have nice sliced cucumbers. Now, you can add about a teaspoon of salt, maybe a little bit more, to the cucumber, and then mix it evenly with a clean hand. Or 2 hands. The next step is to squeeze the cucumber and garlic mixture down and pour off as much of the liquid as you can. This is critical so it doesn't get too smushy. It takes 2 hands. And the last ingredient is a good couple of tablespoons of sour cream. Mixed up and tossed in with the cucumber salad. It depends on the amount of sour cream that you like, but that adds to the flavor and the texture. And when you're done, that's it. Cover and chill, serve chilled, and enjoy.